We receive a GX460. The customer complaint has the engine light problem. We find there is some error from the engine trouble code. We diagnose the computer. We find secondary injection valve stuck on. We find it. This air injection pump having problem, and that valve, the first valve, bank 1 and bank 2 valve need to be replaced it, and the air injection pump. We are removing the air injection pump. When we install new pump, second one fixing, going on removing and fixing. Finish the air injection pump replacing job. We start the car, engine light off. Car is everything perfect. And we check again the trouble code, no fault found.